Hey there, this is Tina with Content Creators Club. I'm so excited to walk through this video, but before we get ahead and get started, make sure you click the offer or join Content Creators Club below this video on YouTube. And if you're watching this on the newsletter, click the offer below this video. But I'm really excited to talk about this concept of being famous but broke. And I see a lot of creators in this position. While every creator wants more followers, I'm choosing to grow my revenue. And I don't see a lot of creators make this choice because they're so focused on the goddamn vanity metrics that truly mean nothing. And they don't add value to your bank account or just really in general, right? Because they're not, followers are not something that you own, but we're going to get into it. And so it's interesting because I had not too long ago a business coach told me I was failing at business, and another one tell me it's way too hard to make money with do it yourself offers without a big following or ads. And I'm going to show you just for proof, like, oh, let me move my screen. No courses unless people have a good following. Very hard to make money with DIY courses without a big following or ads. So that's just the truth in the matter, right? And so it's interesting because I've paid thousands of dollars for courses just to tell me that the only way you can make money online is if you post every day on social media. And I honestly just have to say, like, fuck them. Like, I think it's not true, because that's not my truth and that's not the truth that I would like to really preach. But I kind of like have this rebel in me where I'm like, fuck them and watch me figure out how to do this, right? And seriously, like, if you are watching this on the newsletter, congrats, but really watch this video to the ending. And so the truth is, it's been a 3-year journey. I'm not going to say it's been easy. It's definitely been a 3-year journey, but I've served over 300 plus paying customers and I've made tens of thousands of dollars from my online businesses. And so the thing is that I'm human. Sometimes I also fall into shiny object syndrome traps where I look at another creator that makes more money than me and I feel like a complete failure because I'm like, oh shit, they must be doing something better than what I'm doing. So it's more of a mindset thing than an actual reality thing, right? And so there's these questions that pop or these thoughts that pop where it's like, oh, they must be doing something better than me. Maybe I need to scrap everything and do what they're doing. Perhaps maybe I'm not good enough at business than I thought I was, right? And so before I rush or before I recommend you rushing to buy another course and scrapping the entire business plan and doing everything, I just choose to sleep on it, right? If I feel like I am struggling or if I'm going through maybe some mindset blocks, I just sleep on it. And so I woke up the next day, pulled out a pen and paper, and got to thinking. A lot of times when you're trying to work through complex problems, it's my best advice to sleep on it and then in the morning just write and think about it, right? Like avoid the phone, avoid the email, avoid the distractions, just really think, right? And this is the truth. I don't want a business like other people. I don't want a business like other social media gurus. I just don't want that. And that is perfectly fine. I see so many creators make other creators feel less than because they have something better than them, right? And the thing is that it's better for those big creators because they have built a business that works for them. Doesn't mean they built a business that works for you, right? And so when you get comfortable with the fact that you don't want a business like other people, like other creators, that's fucking fine. Keep it like that. Make sure it stays like that, right? And so what works for them doesn't work for me. I don't want to post every fucking day. I don't want to do sales calls. I don't want to have a large team. And I honestly just don't want to have a booked out calendar with calls. Like, it's not something that I like in my business. I like a sense of freedom. I like doing whatever the fuck I want to do. And I just want to create, teach, and serve people who want to be on my corner of the internet. Like, that's literally all I want. And I'm almost as certain that you probably want the same things where it's like, if you could just teach and help people without actually having to do all the nitty gritty things of posting on social media to like do that, wouldn't that be amazing? And so I've been able to figure that out myself, but you know, my business is the way that I want it. I want you to create a business that's the way for you, right? And so while everyone is choosing to add to their to-do list, my goal is and always will be to do less because less is more. Less allows you to focus, prioritize, and double down on your strengths, right? When you do more, your energy is split across many different areas and you can never really accomplish anything because it's split and you're just doing too many freaking tasks, right? Rather than you just focusing on one thing at a time, that's when you start to see progress. And doing less has allowed me to hit a new leveraged income revenue milestone. I don't necessarily say passive income because it's never really passive, but it's leveraged in terms of helping my time, right? As you can see, throughout this entire, month so far, I was able to hit a new revenue style milestone. And this is just only on one arm of the business, which is the digital product side. And it's like so far we're starting to see that hockey stick growth, and hopefully it keeps growing, right? But that's what I'm here to show you, that is that it can happen. And so maybe the goal for you is not to do more, is not to buy another course, is not to do more things. Maybe it's just truly just to simplify, do less, and profit more, and focus on the things that actually matter. Money is what matters. Followers is not what matters, right? Serving people is what matters. Getting likes and comments is not what matters, right? Serving people, making money from serving, and actually doing what you fucking love, that is a gift, and that is a privilege, and that's what you get to do every single fucking day, and that's what I get to do. And ultimately, you build a business that's on your terms, and I am giving you permission, not that you need it, to build a business that's on your terms, right? And so doing less again has allowed me to hit a new milestone, revenue stream, all those things. And if you want to learn how I was able to do this with digital products, I created this brand new free email mini course that teaches everything I know on how to get there. I really hope you consider joining and watching that, because it may not be free for long, and it really holds nothing back. Low key, like I reviewed the course and I was like, damn, Tina, like that was fucking good. So I hope you find value from that as well. So other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.